Okay, we're back today with just a really quick tip to help you guys avoid paying idle fees at Tesla Superchargers. In a concentrated effort to keep superchargers open and free, Tesla has implemented idle fees, which are nothing more than a way to get you to move your car when it's done charging so it's not taking up a spot. As Tesla states, a customer would never leave a car parked by a pump at a gas station, and the same thinking applies to superchargers. Tesla has stated clearly that idle fees are $1 US a minute if the supercharger is full and you're done charging, with a 5-minute grace period. But also there are idle fees of 50 cents a minute if the supercharger is half full, with the same grace period of 5 minutes. Clearly, this is an effort to keep everyone charging at max speed, since half full means the fastest stalls are taken to charge. Use your Tesla app to tell when you're almost done charging. Make sure you allow notifications for supercharging. To be clear, this is purely about increasing customer happiness, and we, Tesla, hope to never make money off of this. A few other things worth noting. Tesla recommends that you only charge enough to reach your next supercharger or your destination. These fees apply to all models of Tesla cars, and they start upon the completion of charging with your 5-minute grace period. There is no upper limit to these fees, so be careful of supercharging overnight at a motel or on a road trip. That's what destination chargers are for. The taxes do apply in states with tax, and it can be tough to determine how much the fees are because it will show it on the screen mixed in with your supercharging cost. Free supercharging and lifetime supercharging is attached to the VIN of the car, so lifetime supercharging would go with the car when you sold it, not the account. However, the free miles are attached to the Tesla account and do share, and I can verify this myself. Version 3 supercharging billing will remain exactly the same. Superchargers are open 24 hours a day, which is how gas stations should be. Idle fees are not, repeat, they are not covered by your free supercharging, lifetime supercharging, or your miles. They are an addition on top of everything else. Tesla has just opened its version 3 supercharging station in Las Vegas. They are rolling out version 3 everywhere, so choose your supercharger wisely. You can check out our other video on the supercharging lights to understand which supercharging stall is going to be the fastest when you arrive, beyond just choosing the A and B stall. To sum it all up very quickly, you want to allow supercharging notifications on your app on your phone. You can use it to raise your charging level to avoid these idle fees. Do not fall asleep charging your car. Taxes do apply, and the fees are not covered by your free supercharging. Supercharging is attached to your VIN, but the free miles are attached to your account. Please check out our next video on how to charge 2 Teslas sharing 1 electric line. Thanks for watching Tips for Tesla. We'll see you in the next one.